I'm Samantha from Cooking with Sam. Today you will need coriander, chicken, salt, garlic paste that you can get from the supermarket, olive oil, lime juice, and this is what we're going to be studying today. Today you will have to cut the coriander really thin to give it not too spicy taste for the food today. See, thin, too spicy. Or you can do just a simple chop like. We've got all the ingredients ready, and this is the final. This is the. Sorry, there's a little thing there. There's the final thing to do is pour all of the ingredients into your rice. Then can I try one little bit? Okay. Let's try one of the chickens and see how nice it turns out. Turned out like. Well, let's just see how it goes.
You're empty already.
The rice, I'm going to turn it yellow. And the ingredients are collided. And your eggs, and this is what we're going to do. Ella, can you be my camera person? Okay. This is how it's just basically like scrambled eggs. And you just have to let it expand first to get it all separated. Final episode, we're going to collide all of it together. I'll show you the ingredients. The rice, the all mashed up veggies, the chicken, and the scrambled eggs is just getting moved a bit. Part 1 is done today. You come back and watch more videos for Samantha's Cooking with Sam today. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Put a link down below and
Please put a nice comment and suggest what
you would like us to do next. And the name of it is called stir-fried rice and veggie stir-fried rice.